Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Measure ingredients precisely. Combine 1 cup milk powder with 3 cups cold water and whisk until smooth to reconstitute milk. Add 1 cup heavy cream for richness. Stir in 3/4 cup granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For an updated smoother texture, add either 1 tablespoon light corn syrup or 1 teaspoon xanthan gum, whisking to dissolve. Add a pinch of salt and optional 1 tablespoon vodka to prevent excessive hardness. Keep mixture chilled while you prepare the next steps. Pour the combined base into a saucepan and gently heat to 70 degrees C, 158 degrees F, and hold for 1 minute to fully dissolve sugar and hydrate milk powder. Stir constantly to avoid scorching. Remove from heat and cool quickly in an ice bath until the temperature reaches 4 degrees C. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve to remove any clumps or undissolved powder before covering and chilling. Chill the base at 4 degrees C for at least 4 hours, ideally overnight, which improves texture. When the base is thoroughly chilled to 4 degrees C, churn in an ice cream maker for 20 to 30 minutes until you reach a soft serve consistency. If you do not have a machine, freeze the base in a shallow pan and stir vigorously every 30 minutes for 2 to 3 hours to break ice crystals. Transfer to an airtight container and harden in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. Store homemade ice cream up to 2 weeks, but eat within 3 days for best texture. Scoop at room temperature for 2 to 5 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.